Hello everyone, welcome to our line. We are an open source collective dedicated to breaking the memory and the computer walls in RL-HF and GRPO training pipelines. Our mission is to provide end-to-end high-performance CUDA, RL-Kernel, and Triton operators that seamlessly integrate into your exciting training and rollout framework. Extreme infrastructure and specialized custom kernels for large-scale reinforcement learning. On June 6, we publicly announced our kernel project. This is our core project, our kernel. Basically, our kernel is a high performance, memory efficient infrastructure for reinforcement learning post training. It's very important, It it eliminates the memory and latency bottlenecks in large language model alignment. This project targets AI infrastructure engineers, algorithm researchers, and enterprise level large model alignment scenarios, providing specialized for algorithm like GRPO, PPO, and DPO. This is our testing. Real scenario and real benchmark. The first one, log-prob computation and training stability by implementing allocated trunking. Our kernel maintains constant additional vLLM overhead regardless of the group size. And the next one, according to sampling latency, especially rollout speed. And so we can see this table and this benchmark. And the last one, according to real model validation. And so we can see this is a compare table. Okay, there are many listed tasks available here. Especially open issue list. And 2 days ago, we have organized our kernels goals for the second half of 2026 into several focus areas. Please find below each areas and its roadmap. Discussion happens on our Discord. This is our Discord link, and we main phase two about hardware. We main phase two NVIDIA CUDA, AMD ROCm, and the domestic accelerator. So let me briefly explain the including categories. And the first one, training inference consistency, including a lot of tasks is very important task. And next one, rollout and engine integration. And next one, core RL-Kernel. Especially this task, this category including a lot of integration kernels task. Maybe has a lot of fusion kernel task. And the next one, architecture specific optimization, and especially MLA, prefix shared rollout kernel. And the next one, cross platform hardware, and is a unified API across NVIDIA CUDA and Flash Infra and AMD ROCm, Flight DSL and Aether, with domestic silicon on the roadmap. And the next one, build system and packaging. And this a kernel library is only as good as is ends of installation. So this this category is very important, and including PyTorch, C plus, and excitation, and AOT, and pre-compiled, and so on. So next one, about next one, distributed, and this category including a lot of tasks. And next one, alignment layer, and the last one, benchmark, and the documentation, observability. So this roadmap is a living document. If you are interested in any item, especially the ones of noise field command here, or open an issue and join the discussion on Discord. Contribution across CUDA, RL-Kernel, Triton, and domestic silicon are welcome. Thank you.